You may want to share your profile on Upwork with various people for different reasons. I'm going to show you a few ways of doing that. So once you're on this homepage or dashboard, you're going to go and click on your name on the right-hand side here. So once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. And there are two ways to do this. First of all, there's the share button right at the top here. You can just copy the link. You can send it directly in a message within Upwork. You can send it directly via email. You can send it directly via WhatsApp, and then you can also use Facebook Messenger. So this will literally just automatically send it over those channels. You can also go ahead, there's a quick link here, where your title is, which this is what mine is, and then you'll have this section, which is your rate. Just next to the rate, there is a copy link to clipboard. You can click on that, and it'll actually be the link to your profile. So if you need to share this with anybody, you can now do so quickly and easily. Now, if you'd like to learn more about Upwork, you can go ahead and click on this video over here, and I'll take you through those details. We'll see you over there.